Hello and welcome to the next episode of Let's Play Factorio. Let's get cracking. I've just picked up our old steel production, and we're gonna make a new steel production. Now, what we really need to do is figure out a nice way of doing it, basically. And I don't know how to do it. I've been debating in my head a few different ways of doing things, so we're just going to try out one or two designs and see how it goes. I'm just going to change this around a little bit here because I reckon there's a nicer way of doing it. Okay, so that's that. We're going to need to there, to there. Oh, this could be interesting. No, that works. There you go. Now, well, actually, I'm not even going to need two of these because the max that this can supply is two furnaces. So we have everything it can do right now. So let's grab some power for it. Drop that there. Fast inserters. I've only got one. What is going on? See, there's a big drain on iron right now. But we're working on it though. We're working on it. There we go. That'll do us. Okay. Let's go from there to there. Oop. There. Here and here. So which means I reckon we can get away with probably one steel furnace. Or not steel furnace, but like a electric furnace melting steel, if that makes sense. A fast inserter. Okay. Nearly can do it all. Anyway. Okie dokie. Now we need an output. We're going to output. Oh, I've got so many of them. Why did I build another one? Idiot. Anyway. Okay, there we go. That happened okay? Nope. Attack. Okay. Let's put the box down. There. Let's put the fast inserter down. Okay. There we go. Okay. Rethink required. We need more of these steel furnaces. Well, electric furnaces producing steel. Actually, what we might do is something a little bit different here. We'll just as I said, I don't know how I'm going to do this in my head, so hence why I'm building and then breaking it down and then building it again, and around and around in circles we go. So let's go this way instead. Let's go up here and let's basically run it into that right there. Let's run it across there. We'll see how many we're going to need. Whoop, that's way too close. Idiot. Come on. Okay, so let's again, just excuse me while I try and get this design straight. I'm trying to use as little as I can to get it sorted. Let's do that there and that there. We're going to run a output. Output there. Oh, there we go. And that deals with the steel output. And as we see how this goes. So I'm just trying to, a bit of trial and error, figure out how many of these furnaces these two little ones can do. So let's deal with boxing some of this up. We'll spin that to there, shut that down, close that, another box, there we go, and some more electric power poles. Be very handy. Now, so here we go. So this is finally sorting it out. There we go. Okie dokie. So it seems like 2 is the number, actually. Which would make sense to me. These are going to work at the rate this punches them out, theoretically. And yeah, there we go. Well, I like it. So that's our part of our steel production. We probably really need to go find some more iron somewhere, because I'm going to start running low very shortly. What I'd like to get up and running though before I have to break out of here is my robots, because they're going to make the turret rush a lot easier for those wargame purists of you that don't like the old turret push or turret creep or whatever you may call it. I call it turret rush. That unfortunately is the way that I do this. I find that anything else is just too hard to beat the biters, so I run with it. Now, so yep, that's that. So yeah, that's balanced nicely now. Okay, we've still got an iron problem. So where are we up to in our Science Pack 3 production? So we've got smart inserters now, we've got steel plate, we've got batteries, and we've got advanced circuits. So we have everything. It's just a matter of putting it all together now. So smart inserters here, advanced circuits there, batteries down here somewhere. Oh, look at that! That is a long way away. Possibly should have thought about that a little bit better, but anyway, let's have a look. How's things here? Oh, now we've got a light oil problem. Oh, that'd be right, wouldn't it? Really need that light oil processing. What's happening here? See, that's just, yep, it's just crunching through as much as it can of that, which is keeping that down. But really, we don't have the production here, or actually, we don't have the drain actually on these on the solid fuel, because it is more efficient. Look, that's still running on that. So anyway, future me problem. Well, it's really a current me problem, but I can't be bothered dealing with it at the moment. So let's get these things together. Let's get it working. Science Pack 3. Let's go. How are we going to do it? We're going to run that up there, batteries, and then put advanced circuits onto it. So that's what we're going to do there. We're going to extend this out. Yeah, we're definitely going to extend this wall. I need more room. Just as advanced electronics finishes, let's do that. Let's drop that down. We should be alright. Walls. Where are the walls? We have one more. That's not going to be very good. Let's go see if we can find some more. We can also make 113 if we really wanted to, but I don't really want to, because I'm actually kind of saving those stone bricks for if I need to make furnaces and that kind of gear. Lovely day for a stroll, really. Oh, this is going to be great. Okay. So, get that going again. Get that going again. Probably need to actually do a bit of this. This will fix it. It just so happens that my design is actually going to work for both. How good is that? Okay. Let's upgrade some of this, and do 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 this, and this. There we go. Turned up to 11. Much, much better now. Throw that down there. Oop. Throw it down there. Okie dokie. Probably could make that faster, but anyway, that might do us. I'll actually just craft a few. Let's get it down to say 100. 100 just stone bricks. There we go. Biters getting killed. Good job. Kind of, yeah, we're about halfway capacity. Alrighty, up we come. Let's throw down this extension. And we're going to go, well actually we're going to go from here, I reckon. Walls. Here we are. I'm going to go out to about there, I reckon, and up. Tons. We have tons. Tons of materials. There we go. New wall. Sorted. Let's have a look here. We need electronic circuits and tons of batteries. Let's go find some that I made before. Circuits. This looks good. There. And batteries. Let's jump on that. We'll move a little bit faster. We'll grab 256 of them. Oh, I need to really offload some crap. Here, take 64 of that. That'll help. Right, here we go. Now then. Let's just see how many of these we can make. I should probably automate this. And I will, at some stage. Anyway. Let's make a shit ton of power poles too, because I'm going to need them as well. Let's go over here, and we'll just join these up. Oops. Let's just unqueue. Oops, a bunch of them. So don't quite need them yet. Do that, do that, do that. Place these down, get some defense up and running. Well, that's a little bit skew-if, isn't it? Where are we? Here we are. And after those are done, we can build more of them. Okay. There we go. Okay, that's that. Nearly there. Okay. Laser turrets. Let's throw them down in front of the power poles. I know I did it differently around the corner. I'll just have to come down and change it. Because otherwise my OCD will bug me. Pick these up. Okay, and I can use this little iron patch for something now, as well as extending. Well, I'm going to create a research facility that like runs this way or something. And oh, I wonder how the timer's going, because I might be able to actually do give a little trick a try. doing some reading on the forums, and I might have a way of doing something special with my labs. I'll run through that in a minute. Just throw these down. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Demand is okay-ish. We can live with it. Alrighty, we'll pick all this up now. Whoa, not that bit. That bit's kind of important. Put that back. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's just pick up actually. Well, what do we want to pick up? We really want to pick it all up. Unfortunately, it'll take a while. So right now I've just got the right button pinned and the S button pinned. It just runs along and it'll pick everything up until I do something like this. Whoop. Get that. Okay. I've lost my flow. Okay. And this will actually give us more walls to play with later. Where's the other wall? There it is. Just want to know where I'm heading for. Okie dokie. Problem solved. Alright. So what we're going to do is, yeah, as I said, have a play around with a bit of a different lab setup, basically. And what it's going to involve is shit. Okay, well we can't do that yet because I don't have accumulators. Oh, that sucks, doesn't it? Anyway, so what are we going to do? We're going to bring our steel across. Actually, no. We've got one steel production there. Oh dear. I'm starting to run into some problems now. So problem is we need steel. Next issue is I like to build my factories so that they're modular and they have one input. So what I like to do is have, so right now, okay, if I can get raw iron ore onto this track, it will feed into the factory. Same thing with copper. Okay, setting up these little isolated systems is great for, you know, just little bursts and little production lines. But when this runs out, basically I just have to rip all this up and build it somewhere else. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Well, we're going to put the steel production over here somewhere, I reckon. Because that will mean that, yeah, steel's over here. We can inject some iron plates into the process from here, which will be like a little injection, a little pump up, so that, yeah, as we're building it, it's not actually drawing too much on the main line, whilst we're still, you know, utilizing this in a useful way. I think that's going to be for next episode. Didn't quite get to Science Pack 3s, but we are making progress. We've got all the raw materials. It's just a matter of putting them together in an assembler now and getting them to our lab. Thank you for joining me. I am going to endeavour to do one more episode tonight. Wish me luck, and I'll see you in the next episode.